So, good morning, dear student. Today, the Tuesday and the very first video of the class 9. Yesterday, I have told you a few questions related to the exercise 12.1. Another time, exercise 12.2, and I hope you have completed your homework. Still, you are studying in the offline or online. Question number 1. This is a path in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD. Means there is a path whose shape is the quadrilateral ABCD. It is having the angle C equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter, AD 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Means what is the area of this? Okay. Now just check. So already I have given the dimension. I have given the dimension, the angle CAD, BC, CD, AD, and now just draw the figure related to it. So first of all, angle C. Angle C means this is 90 degree. So first we will make the angle C 90 degree. And C is associated with the D and associated with the B. So BC is given 12. So BC, it is 12 meter. Clear? And now we know the value of BC. Now the CD is 5 meter. CD. Let this one is D and 5 meter. CD. And now AD is 8 meter. AD, where is A? Here. AD is 8 meter. And now at the last AB is 9 meter. AB, this one is the 9 meter. Clear? This is our figure. And now this is our figure, and we want to find the area of A, B, C, D. So if you are using the Heron's formula, then Heron's formula is related to a triangle. So you can draw a diagonal and make a triangle. First of all, which diagonals you will draw? If you are joining the C and A, so you will not get any result. If you are joining the DB, then BCD become a right angle triangle, and you can use the Pythagoras theorem and get the hypotenuse. ठीक है? तो in triangle, which triangle we are taking? DCB. DCB. In triangle DCB, we know that by the Pythagoras theorem, DB square it is equal to BC square plus CD square. DC square plus CD square. Value of DC 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is 25 and 12 square is 144. When you will add them, it becomes 169. So DB equal to under root 169 or 13 meter. Its value is 13 meter. Now this one is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. In the first triangle, because this is the triangle, which triangle? Right angle triangle. So you can use half base into height, but 8 meter, 9 meter and 13 meter. This one is the scalene triangle. So you will use the which formula? Heron's formula. Okay. Now I am going to explain the area of BCD. Area BCD equal to half base into height. Half base. Base is BC and height is BC. So half base 12 into height. Height is given 5 meters. So we will write here 5 meters. 2 6 13 meter square. This is the area of BCD, and we want to find the area DAB. So first of all, we need the semi-perimeter S. For area ABD, we want to find S. S equal to 8 plus 9 plus 13. 8 plus 9 plus 13 over 2. Just calculate and divide it. 30 30 30 and 8 21 and 9 30 over 2 or S equal to 15. And now apply the formula, Aaron's formula, S minus first side, S minus second side and S minus third side. A, B, C are representing the side first, second and third. Now right here S is 15. Now 15 minus 8, 15 minus 9 and 15 minus 13. Under root 15 multiply, when you will subtract you will get the 7 into, when you will multiply you get the 6 and when you will subtract then you will get the 2. Now 15 to 5 is a 15 and 2 6 are 12 and 15. You just factor it. 15 you can write 3 5 to 15. 7 is the prime number. 6 having the factor 2 and 3 and 2 is also the prime number. So there is a pairing of 3. So take out the 3. Pairing of 2. Take out the 2. And inside the bracket 5 7 is 35. Clear? And now we will get the, okay, now 3 to the 6 and now actually we need just the under root 35, but in this case because we will add these two, so that you must find the value of 35. So 35 up to the 2 decimal place, 5 5 25, 10, take the 2 zeros, put the point, 5 and 5 10, and if you are putting a 9 time, 9 plus something is left, means 5.9 approx into 5.9, multiply it, 30.54, just check. This is the area of triangle ABD, and now we want to get the area ABCD. Area ABCD. This is the area of sum of two areas. First area, this portion, first portion, and this was the area BCD plus area, another area was the ABD. Now add these two areas. Area BCD is 30 meters square plus it is 30.35.4. Now add these, it becomes 65.4 meter square. This is the area, required area ABCD, which was this figure, and the data was given this. Okay, pause the video and note down.